Now see the children, exercise 6.4, fifth head. Express each of the following percentage as a decimals. Percentages are given, convert into decimals. Okay. Now show how can you do these sums. And see the children. Express each of the following percentage in decimals. Okay. Now first one, 1%. 1% means you can remove the percent 1 by 100 divided by 100. This one has a fraction form. Now convert into decimals. Here denominator has 2 zeros. Then you can put decimals 2 digits after this one decimal form. Okay. Next 6%. 6%, 6 by 100. 6 by 100. Convert into decimals 0.06. 0.06. This one 19%. Solution 19. Percent, remove the percent, divided by 100. Then this one write the decimal. Denominator has 2 zeros. Then 2 places after put decimals 0.19. Okay children. Next one, 67 by 100, that is equal to 0.67. Okay, this is the percentage convert into decimals. Next head, sixth head. Express each of the following decimals as a percent. Now decimals are given, convert into percent. If you want the percent, you should multiply the into 100. It should multiply into 100. Okay. 0.04 decimal form, you should multiply into 100. 100, that is equal to, once multiply 4 0 0, 2 digits after point, that is equal to 4%. This is 4%. Okay. Here also 0.52 into 100. We want percent means multiply into 100. The decimal moves here, multiply to 100. The decimal moves 2 digits after, that is equal to 52%. Okay. Here third one, 0.125 into 100. The decimal moves 2 digits after, that is equal to 12.5%. 12.5%. Last one, 0.0006 into 100. The decimal moves 2 digits after, that is equal to 0.06%. 0.06%. Okay, like this we can do the sums. Next sum, next seventh sum, find the number which is 12 and half percent of 75. Find the number which is 12 and half percent of 75. Okay, see the solution. Given 12 and half percent of 75. Okay, convert into this one. ఒక్కొక్క దాన్ని ఒక్కొక్క రిమూవ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే మనకు సొల్యూషన్ వచ్చేస్తుందమ్మా. మల్టిప్లై 12 into 2. దిస్ వన్ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. 12 into 2 plus 1 by 2% of 75. Okay. Now 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2%. Half means into 75. Okay. Now this one percent means divided by 100. Okay. I will write symbol rasnanamma. 25 by 2 divided by 100. Okay. Divided by 100 into 75. Okay. Now 25 by 2, write this 25 by 2. Here divided by symbol, convert into multiplication. This one 1 by 100 into 75. Now cancellation, ekkadena cancellation unte chuddam. 25 1 jar, 25 4 jar 7. Okay. Here numerator only 75 by 8. Once see the 1 into 75 by 4 to 2 into 4, that is equal to 75 by 8. We should divide 8 table 75. 7, 8 8 ja 64, 8 9 ja 72, 3 point decimal 0, 8 3 ja 24, 6 0, 8 7 ja 56, here 4 and 0, 8 5 are 40. Okay, what is the answer? 9.375. That is the number. Therefore, the number is 9.375. Okay. Once see the children, sometimes like this is given question. Find the number which is 12 and of a number is 75. 12 and of a number is 75. Okay. Now solution. Let the number be x. Number be x. Write the given question. 12 and of percent of a number is 75. This one in statement form, convert into convert into symbolic form. Symbols lo మనం మార్చుదాం, ఒక్కొక్క దాన్ని రిమూవ్ చేద్దాం. 12 and of percent, you should remove the percent divided by 100. 12 and of divided by 100. Of means into a number. A number you can write x. X is equal to 75. Okay. Now 12 and of convert into improper fraction. 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2. Here division symbol convert into multiplication by reciprocal of 100. 1 by 100 into x is equal to 75. Okay. Here 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja. Here 1 into x. 1 into x by 4 2s are 2 into 4 is equal to 75. Okay. 1 into x, that is equal to x by 4 2s are 8 is equal to 75. Now we want x. Here denominator as 8 goes RHS, it is multiplication. It becomes numerator. X is equal to 75 into 8. You should multiply 75 into 8. 8 5s are 40, 4, 8 6s are 56 plus 4, 60. Okay, that is 600x. Therefore, the number is 600. Now see the children, 8th sum. Pavani scored 85% marks in a mathematics paper. If maximum marks in a paper is 80, find the marks scored by his that paper. Here Pavani scored 85% marks. 85% marks. Given Pavani scored marks. Pavani scored marks percentage is equal to 85%. 85% of 80 marks. Okay children, 85% of 80 marks. Maximum number of marks. Maximum marks is equal to 80. Therefore, she got 85% of 80. 85% of 80. Convert into 85. Remove the percent by 100. Of means into 80. 0 0 cancel. 85 into 8. Multiply 85 into 8. 8 5 is 40. 8 8 is 64 plus 4, 68. Okay, 680 by here 680 by 10 is there, 10, 0 0 cancel, 68. Okay, therefore Pavani scored marks 68. Okay, another method, one see the another method, second method. Here, once observe the children. Here maximum marks paper is 80, that is equal to 100. Maximum marks is 80, that is equal to 100%. This is equal to 100%. Now write 100% is equal to 80. 100% is 80 marks. 85% is given, 85% here x. Now do the cross multiplication. 100 into x is equal to 80 into 85. Now x is equal to 80 into 85 by 100. Now see, observe both two are same model. 0 0 cancel. Now 680 by 10. 0 0 cancel, 680. This one cross multiplication method. This is cross multiplication method. What is the maximum marks or total marks? That is equal to 100%. Okay. In this exercise, last sum, Siva spends 78% of his family income if he saves 7,700 rupees per month. What is his total monthly income? Okay, children, he spends 78% his family income. 78% ఖర్చు చేస్తున్నాడమ్మా. ఖర్చు చేయగా అతనికి ఎంత మిగులుతుంది? 7,700 రూపీస్ పర్ మంత్. హీ సేవ్స్, అంటే ఎంత ఖర్చు పెడుతున్నాడంటే పర్సంటేజ్లో ఇచ్చారు, ఇది మాత్రం మామూలు అమౌంట్లో ఇచ్చారమ్మా. ఫైండ్ హిస్ టోటల్ మంత్లీ ఇన్కమ్. మంత్లీ ఇన్కమ్ ఎంతో ఫైండ్ చేయమన్నారు. ఓకే, అంటే 7,700 రూపీస్ ఖర్చు పెడుతున్నాడంటే ఎంత పర్సంటేజ్ ఖర్చు పెడుతున్నాడని? 100 మైనస్ 78. హీ స్పెండ్స్ ఇంత ఖర్చు పెడుతున్నాడు. సేవ్స్ ఎంత అంటే 100 మైనస్ 78, అంటే 12% సేవ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. దాదాపు 22% సేవ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఓకే, 22% సేవ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 7,700. ఓకే, నౌ స్టార్ట్ ద సమ్. Siva spends monthly income in percentage is equal to 78%. పర్సంటేజ్లో ఎంత స్పెండ్ చేస్తున్నారమ్మా? 78. Siva saves monthly income in percentage. Total income 100%. Here total income 100%. అందులోని హీ స్పెండ్స్ 78%. సేవింగ్స్ ఎంత అంటే 100% మైనస్ 78%, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 22%. దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 22%. 22%, ఓకే, 22% ఆఫ్ ఇన్కమ్ ఈజ్ 77,000. అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ సేవింగ్ అమౌంట్ is equal to 7,700 rupees. Saving amount 7,700. Saving percentage 22%. 22% of income. ఇన్కమ్లోని 22% చేస్తే ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 7,700 వస్తుందమ్మా. 7,700 మనం ఇన్కమ్ ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. నౌ అన్ని చేంజ్ చేద్దాం. 22 రిమూవ్ ద పర్సెంట్, అంటే యూ కెన్ రైట్ ద డివైడెడ్. 22% ఆఫ్ ఇన్కమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 7,700. రిమూవ్ ద పర్సెంట్ మీన్స్ 22 by 100 into income is equal to 7,700. Income is equal to 7,700 into 100 by 22. 100 by 22. 11 2s are 11 7s are, and 2 table 2 1s are 2 50s are. 7 5s are, here's 50. 7 5s are 35 and 3 zeros. 35,000 rupees. Therefore, income is equal to 35,000. Therefore, income is equal to 35,000 rupees. He asking what is the total monthly income. Monthly income is 35,000. Okay.